What is what is democracy? There are the two type of the governments. One is the dictatorship, and the other one is the democratic government. There are the two forms of the government found in all over the world. One is democratic, and other one is the dictator. Dictatorship, we will say that the person or a group of persons who hold all the power in the hand of them, we will say that dictatorship is prevailed in that country. If we say uh, about the democracy, then it is the form of the government. Democracy is the form of government where peoples choose their representative themselves. In other words, you can say the ruling power is vested in the hand of peoples, जहाँ लोगों के हाथ में पूरी सत्ता जो है वो लोगों के हाथ में रहती है, and the government is answerable to the peoples और accountable, लोगों के प्रति अकाउंटेबल आंसरेबल रहती है. वेन एवर द पीपल्स वांट ए change may be made in the next elections. In the next election, if we say that there is any democracy in Pakistan, we will say that in Pakistan there is no democracy because behind the curtains the group military group lead the government. You can say that there are the two type of government, democratic and non-democratic. Democratic governments have the elections. All citizens have one vote and one value, one equal value. The vote or adult universal adult franchise. The value of the all votes of all peoples are equals. Free and fair elections are held in that country at a regular interval of time, and government is answerable and accountable to the peoples. In non-democratic country, the government is not answerable and accountable to the peoples, and that is not the legitimate government because the universal adult franchise is not given to all peoples in that country. In a non-democratic country, elections are not held at a regular interval of time. Free and fair elections are not conducted in that country. Now, in most of the country, the most common form of the government is democratic government. Democracy is essential because a large number of the people that it is physically impossible for them to sit together and take a collective decision. ये संभव नहीं है कि सभी लोग जो हैं एक जगह पर बैठें और एक पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन ले सकें. Democracy में in democracy the people send their representative in parliament. The parliament take all the decisions on behalf of the peoples, on behalf of people. So all the decisions are taken by the government. Collective decision is taken. Even if they could, the citizen could, not have the time. हालांकि जो है डेमोक्रेसी में जो है सभी सिटीजन के पास इतना समय नहीं रहता, ना ही वो इतने स्किलफुल रहते, और ना ही बहुत लोगों की जो डिज़ायर रहती है कि वो जो है हर डिसीजन में पार्टिसिपेट करें. तो इफ़ वी से दैट चाइना इज़ ए democratic country, we can say that China is a partially democratic country because there is a single party Communist Party that rule over China. No other political party are given permission to compete. In one constituency, there are two members given the ticket for contesting the elections. Only one candidate chosen for the parliament, the people's delegates. The People's Congress और पीपल कांग्रेस जो है दैट हैज़ द पावर टू अपॉइंट द president of the country. There are nearly 3,000 members elected from all over the China. Some members are also elected uh, from the army. The government is always formed from the Communist Party. कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के द्वारा ही गवर्नमेंट वहाँ फॉर्म होती है बिकॉज नो अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी आर गिवन परमिशन टू कॉम्पीट विद them. Only Chinese, the members, those belong to the Chinese Communist Party or eight smaller parties, those are communist allies of the Communist Party. They are allowed it to contest the elections. No other party are given permission to contest elections. Before contesting elections, the candidate will have to take the prior permissions or approval from the Chinese Communist Party.